The pet bird. Ear to the door, fingertips against the frame. The hallway lolls like a loud red tongue. In the next room, a hive-like hum of voices that beat and pulse. Caught by the crook of my elbow, a stranger's thumb insistent on my skin. I am pulled in. An unnatural place, this small world, a photograph overexposed. Heavy curtains pulled closed, crescendos of voices rise towards the ceiling, then collapse. I enter from the outer edge. I'm irretrievable. A bottle flung into the waves, a figure contained in a gilded frame. I stand surrounded by grasping eyes, furs and murmurs, exhausted by this tiresome symmetry. The missives and ciphers that cross either side of me. I talk to a man with a bloated nose who speaks only in incoherences that stick to the rim, that drape in heavy folds over my bare skin. His hand finds the small of my back. Behind his shoulder, a painting hung above the fireplace. The room begins to swim as I see oil and canvas, eye to eye, a pet bird perched on a stranger's wrist.